Hello. Today we are going to refresh our memory about immunity. Our body is constantly exposed to harmful microbes, chemicals, and other foreign substances. But nature has a special way of protecting us. The system that defends our body against these harmful agents is called the immune system. The immunity expressed by the human body can be broadly classified into two categories: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. The innate immunity is the first line of defense against infection. Whenever our body is exposed to infectious agents, innate immunity comes into play. It does not discriminate between microbes. Its defense is universal. The first example of this immunity is the skin. Skin protects our body. It does not allow anything to go inside. If the size is very, very small, that is smaller than the pores of the skin, there is a slim chance, but otherwise it has defense against the microbes. Similarly, there are mucous membranes in the inner lining, the blood cells which have got the power of engulfing the microbes, the macrophages, neutrophils, these things. The complement system, interferon, they all come under the innate immunity. The basic thing is innate immunity is the first line of defense and it's very, very, very fast. Then there is the second type of immunity, that is adaptive immunity. The word adaptive actually creates a picture of something that likes accommodation. Imagine unwanted guests in our house. Then what we do? We devise strategies to throw them out. We adapt ourselves to its. We get alerted against its presence and devise strategies to throw them out. Similarly, the body specifically targets the foreign elements and arranges for their neutralization. So, adaptive immunity is target specific. Innate immunity is not target specific or non-specific. Adaptive immunity is target specific. Adaptive immunity can be classified into two categories: active and passive. In active immunity, the body identifies the offender and then initiates a response to counter them. This process involves a series of changes, and the body produces at the end some molecules like antibodies or immunoglobules that will be able to neutralize the offending agent. Although it takes time and effort for the body to develop this response, the immune system retains a memory of the encounter. As a result, when the body is exposed to the same antigen again, it will be able to respond quite fast. And the ultimate result is that a creation of a long-lasting memory, which will produce a long-lasting immunity to that particular agent. In contrast, we receive ready-made antibodies from an external source in passive immunity. For example, in case of snake antivenom, horses are exposed to snake venom and produce antibodies against it. So when a human is bitten by the same snake, we inject the preformed antivenom from the horse to the patient's body, providing immediate neutralization. In this case, the person's body is not actively producing antibodies. It's receiving them passively. This is the example. Let's summarize. Immunity can be broadly classified into two main types: innate immunity and adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity has two subtypes: active immunity and passive immunity. Again, on the basis of mechanism of production, it can be of two types: humoral immunity, that is B cells, antibodies in body fluids, and cell-mediated immunity, which involves T cells. So this is a broad, very broad outline of the immune system's activity in our body. Thank you.